Oh, sorry. Hey guys, welcome back. It's me, Kitty Pop again. And today I am gonna be playing. Sorry. I need to go somewhere where it's quiet. So today I'm gonna be I don't know how to say this, but I'm gonna be how do I describe this? Here, I'll just type it up here. Okay, so it says hello. Today I'm gonna be showing you Wolves Life designs, and it's Wolves Life Beta with the wings. So let's get to it. Reset the character. This is for a pup. So click pup. Here is the first design. You guys will have to figure this out. It's not tricky at all, actually. So, and now I'm gonna add some wings. Click continue. Yes, guys, I am gonna be a male, but I'm actually female in real life, since I like being a male. Here, guys, I have a lovely day. Boom, 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 boom. oh yeah, guys, I forgot to mention. If you have a Animal Jam Play Wild account that has forest boots and a blackout and archer hat, please give it to me, and I'll give this account away for it. But no scamming me in the chat, and I don't like to be scammed in chats. If you do scam me, then I'm gonna get a new Roblox account. It's gonna be way better than this. So please do not scam. I'm begging you. I'm begging you. I'm begging you. Bye. Bye.